Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another beautiful and hot day, guys. It's getting hotter and hotter and hotter.
Yeah.
And yesterday actually it was very interesting. I drove through the city center to Haichao, and guess what? I saw so many big teams who took care of law and order on the pavements, guys. It's crazy. They're like full teams on trucks, and they're going off and taking care of everything on the sidewalk. So they are actually doing something big in the city center, and I think at some point they will come here. But I feel like it's already better than now. Like this was never possible. This was never possible. But yeah, we're gonna go and check out Antung 29, see how this new residential neighborhood here looks like. There's so many apartment buildings. Maybe it's the right place for you. And this here is going to be a nice hotel. I'm excited. I really want to see how that will look when it's completely done. Also inside. It was like one of the longest construction sites here in the neighborhood. We're going to check out the streets now. I feel like this is also super central, but I could imagine this is a little bit calmer in the little side streets. Because if you don't live here, you would not come here. Check this out. They're rebuilding this building here. It's gonna be a new business. This was a car wash and now it's an Indian restaurant. And here are a lot of apartments, guys. It's like all apartments everywhere. And of course, famous Bamboo Bob. Oh wow, this is gonna look nice here. Big balconies. Like big, medium, and small balcony, and then again big. Toto. Huh. Motorbike rentals. That's pretty new. Very old motorbikes, yeah. And that's a brand new spot here. Brand new apartment building. Hidden boutique Da Nang. Very nice looking from outside. That's brand new, guys. It just changed it. We have Bamboo Bob here. The good Bamboo Bob. Well, I always had my wine sleigh back then. We have electric vehicles here again. This is all new. This was all not here. Back then it was just like this building. And they built this, I think. It's crazy. Now I'm wondering what they're gonna build here on this intersection here. I still feel weak, guys. I'm finishing my 72-hour fast right now. It's a Korean restaurant, Mr. Lee. It's also new. Interesting. I need to tell this to my wife. She loves kimchi rice. Kimchi, I don't know what I think kimchi rice? No, not kimchi rice. I forgot. Something with kimchi. It's so basic. Kimchi soup. That was it, I think. Yeah, and I think there's gonna be a very interesting building. Hi, how are you?
Hold on, I gotta pause my music.
All right, guys, very interesting. So that was Thai. She was like, yo, and I'm like, oh God, what's going on? I used to follow you for 8 months, and I'm like, okay, what did I do wrong? But she said she moved here and she's very happy, and she thanked me. So thank you so much, Thai. That also makes me feel good for my old channel, you know, like I did everything right. I never overpromised things, and I think I give you a pretty good look on the reality here, the good and the bad. Like look at this beautiful styrofoam flower pots. I'm just kidding. Destroy this. Destroy it. Destroy. So I'm not sure what they're gonna do with that. I think I should put it somewhere like not on the pavement. So Imagine having the vegetables here on the pavement with all the dust here. Huh. But yeah, this is a very interesting neighborhood. Also home of Casa del Sol, my friend Tommy's new house, and he's gonna rent it out on Airbnb. As soon as everything is done, this is gonna be very nice. I'm gonna make a video on that too. But yeah, this is gonna be an interesting apartment building, I guess. And they're very far now. They are very far. It's crazy. Oh my God, what was that? A little mouse? Oh my God. Okay guys, Maituklan, this is still a very bad street to walk, but I think it's gonna be good in a few weeks, whenever they're done with their pavement cleaning. Like this street was like notorious for having to walk on the street. That's why I never walk it. But I feel like there's so many new buildings here. Look at this. Check this out. And if there's a moon milk, you know there are people living here. Moon milk is pretty much everywhere. But yeah, it is on the main street though. It is on the main street. El Rincon. Trilogy. And then this building, brand new. I remember someone lived here one time. Forgot what they paid. It was very little about it. Zero. Oh my God. I can smell the pork steak here. Oh, nice. I gotta move on from here, else I'm gonna get crazy. There was a lady who fixed clothing. Ah, it's over there now. So she moved from here to here, I think. Or maybe it's just selling now. Huh. Ah yeah, sells, use, repair clothes. Yeah, this is a one shop of her. Marcus fixed something there one time. I think it was his shoes or so, or some zippers. But yeah, also if you need to get something fixed or sewed or something like that, you can go to the local market. Look at this stylish coffee shop. By Passport Coffee Roastery. It looks very good, like stylish. I don't know how it looks inside. As you can see here, you can still not walk on the pavement here. So the street is still dead. Check this out. Brand new spot again. Here it is. 1, 2. Over there is 1, 2. And there's one. Wow. Every neighbor. Oh, this is also brand new. There was a different restaurant before. Something with salads. It was some healthy salad or something. Now it's V Spa and Cafe. Oh, it's a spa and cafe. Okay, hello. Okay. Just wanna see what's over there. And Ooh La La, very busy too. Also a breakfast spot. Ooh. You can buy water. You can also deliver it to your place, guys. They also deliver it. But sometimes if you're far away from those water places, you want to have it delivered or invest in a water filter, in a good one. Banh mi. Okay. That's also now a spa. It was something else before. Delise de May, huh? Huh. It's also new. So this is new. This was already there. Lots of places have changed here as well. But if they cater to foreigners or walking people, it's not gonna be happening, guys. Who wants to walk on the street? This is the worst street you can be. Because like, now I can walk a little bit, but this is like absolutely terrible. You have to walk on the street non-stop here. And it's a very busy street. So, if you cater to locals, okay, that works. Like this Banda Kua place, it's also good. Only opens in the morning, I tried it out. Very nice. They also have nice fried fish noodles, so great. But if you cater to tourists, you need to have walking. It is better now, but who knows? I mean, whenever this is open, this is also blocked. Look at the flower pot madness here. Look at all those flower pots. This is like a whole family flower pot. Can't wait to eat a banh mi again. My God, I'm so hungry. I don't think much has changed here. It's still the same. Just this hotel has changed to the name Anfada. Before it was something else. I think it was Fifitel Gold. And Rice Mound is still here. You have pizza company with a washed out sign. I guess they're a long time there. And what's very interesting is like this hotel there, forgot the name, but it actually has a poker room in there. When we did a review there were poker rooms or casino or something, I'm not 100% sure. Or poker club or something in the hotel. So I think all poker players, there is a poker scene here. I met actually a few of them, also from our viewers. Yeah. And David commented, it's not illegal because it's a sport. Okay, I did not know that. Whew. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one.